Hey listeners, you're tuned in to Dotiv The Podcast, a podcast that's here to discuss integrative medicine with certified professionals, scientists, and thought leaders. And who am I? Well, of course, I'm a lover of podcasts, but more relevant to right now, I'm one of your hosts, Tasha.
And I'm Guni, founder of Dotiv, and very importantly, also your co-host on this show.
So we came up with this super mini episode, a mini-sode, to cover what this show is going to be all about, from why we started, what to expect on this show, and how to find us and tune in every week.
So let's cover why we're here. Why do we do what we do? Well, for me, it started with Dotiv, a marketplace for complementary healthcare. The reason why I founded this company is because I was frustrated with the amount of difficulties I had to go through just in order to find a qualified practitioner whom I trusted, and finding a place where I could buy my herbal supplements. I'm sure some of you who are listening who've tried receiving a service in this space, the struggle is real. From feeling confused, disappointed, and underwhelmed. And that's how Dotiv was born, an application where you can connect with trusted practitioners and get your herbal supplements delivered at your doorsteps. So very naturally, DTP, or Dotiv The Podcast, came along. Because what a better way to bridge this gap than by having conversations with practitioners, medical doctors, business owners, and even thought leaders to talk about what health is all about.
And as our base, we always go back to the World Health Organization's definition of what health means. That is, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Did you guys hear that right? So it's literally not only about treating illnesses, but also very much about championing your physical, mental, and social well-being. And this really goes hand in hand with our motto that healthcare doesn't look the same for everyone.
And we know that many of us tend to associate modern day medicine or allopathic medicine as the only form of medicine. But through conversations with our guest speakers, you will surely see that healthcare and medicine has a much wider definition.
And hopefully it will help you guys navigate healthcare within the complementary medicine industry a little better.
And while we are diving into some real health issues with experts and healthcare practitioners, please know that our conversations are not in any way designed to diagnose you, nor should it ever be used as a replacement for one-on-one qualified medical advice or treatment.
So, with all of this said, if you're dying to know when and where you can listen to this show, you don't have to wait any longer because our new episodes are dropped every Wednesday and you can listen to us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, or Stitcher. And you can stay connected to us on social media at Dotiv The Podcast on Instagram and on Facebook.
Till then, stay well.